Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make your first 100 euros with Mondosol's affiliate program. Trust me, it's simpler than you think. Alright, let's dive in. First things first, head over to Mondosol's website and sign up. The best part, you get an instant 2 euros bonus just for registering. Easy money, right? Now once you've set up your profile, it's time to choose your promotional strategy. You've got a few options here. Content marketing, social media promotion, direct outreach, or email marketing campaigns. Pick one that suits you best. If you're into content creation, start by writing authentic reviews or blog posts. Share success stories and engaging visuals on social media. Remember, authenticity is key here. People can tell if you're genuinely passionate about what you're promoting. For those who prefer direct outreach, try connecting with potential clients on LinkedIn or via email. Share your personal experiences and how Mondosol's coaching has benefited you or someone you know. This approach can be super effective. Here's a pro tip: focus on promoting high-converting services like professional coaching, website creation, and guest posting. These services have a conversion rate of 0.19%, and with 60 monthly inquiries and over 2,000 unique visitors, you're bound to make some sales. Let's break down the potential earnings. You've got your 2 euros sign-up bonus. Refer just 2 people to Mondosol's coaching service and earn 60 euros for each referral. That's an easy 122 euros in your pocket. To wrap it up, the Mondosol affiliate program is a fantastic way to kickstart your affiliate marketing journey. With a bit of effort and the right strategy, you'll be making your first 100 euros in no time. So what are you waiting for? Head over to Mondosol, sign up, and start earning today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Catch you in the next video.